We'll guide you through how to send money as friends and family on PayPal. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're trying to go and send money to friends and family on PayPal. Let's guide you through this. So perhaps trying to go and pay them back for something or pay them for another reason. The great thing with friends and family is there are no fees. So if you go and send somebody $10 or £10, they're going to go and get that amount and there's going to be nothing taken off of it. The only downside is that there's no protection. So sometimes people may say go and send it as friends and family to go and save the fee, but this then means that if something goes wrong with the transaction, for example, you buy something, it doesn't turn up or there's a problem with it, you can't then go and get PayPal to step in as you went and sent it as friends and family, which has got no protection. But if you're sure, then what you need to do is go and press the send or receive button in the middle at the bottom. Now at the top, you can go and choose who you're doing this with, enter in their name, username, email, or mobile number. So in this case, I'm going to go and type in the email of the person I want to do this with. Of course, make sure it's right. You don't want to go and enter in the wrong person. I've now selected them like so. And now what we need to do is go and enter in the amount. So in this case, I'm going to go and do £10. You can go and change the currency to the right and add a note. For example, if you're paying back for a specific thing, you could add it in. And then when you're ready, you can press send in the bottom right. Now, what's really important here is you can choose between for goods and services, which you go and get that protection with, so you can get a refund if there's a damaged item, if it gets lost. But at the bottom, we've got the option we're looking for, which is for friends and family. And as you can see, there is no protection. So if you're sure, you can then go and press next like so, and it'll go and confirm things. So you can then go and choose how you're funding it. In this case, I want to go and use my balance, so I'll go and change that there. And then you can go and read this through, and when you're ready, you can go and press send. And that's it. It's now gone and been sent, and they'll go and be notified. And that's been sent as friends and family. So that's it. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got other guides on PayPal as well as many other topics as well. So feel free to go and check them out.